UPnP, or Universal Plug and Play, simplifies network connections by allowing devices to automatically configure settings like port forwarding. This makes it easier for devices to connect and communicate on a network without manual setup. NAT, or Network Address Translation, translates private IP addresses used inside your home network to a single public IP address for internet access. This allows multiple devices to share one internet connection securely. On T-Mobile routers, UPnP is often enabled by default to streamline gaming and device connectivity. For gaming, enabling UPnP can help achieve an open or moderate NAT type, improving online multiplayer performance by automatically opening necessary ports. However, UPnP can introduce security risks, potentially allowing unauthorized access to your network. Disabling it increases security, but may require manual port forwarding for optimal gaming or device functionality. Connect to your T-Mobile router's Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Open a web browser and enter your router's IP address, typically 192.168.12.1 or 192.168.1.1. Check your router label or T-Mobile app. Log in using admin credentials, often admin for both username and password, or use the T-Mobile app to reset. Navigate to Advanced Settings, then Network, then UPnP or NAT Gaming on newer models. Toggle UPnP on or off. For gaming, enable it and check your console's NAT status. Save changes and reboot if prompted. Consider the security implications. Enabling UPnP enhances gaming convenience, while disabling it improves security. If disabling, you may need to manually configure port forwarding for specific applications.